Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into ReactJS by Deloitte, a company known for software engineering with a mindset. We are covering all major specialties along with MCQs and coding questions that are highly useful for interviews and assessments. So that's quick summary of HashedIn by Deloitte, specialties, MCQs and coding questions. Remember, this video covers only a part for the full set of questions and coding questions. So get the PDF from the WhatsApp number given in the video. If you found this useful, like, share and subscribe for more interview preparation and content. So let's begin with the first specialty of the company mentioned in the PDF. Webify web application. Which of the following is a front-end framework for building web application? ReactJS. What does REST stand for in web services? Representational state transfer. Which RDB method is used to update a resource completely? Put. Which status code represents resource count? 404. What is the purpose of codes in web applications? Prevent cross-origin request error. Which tool is being used for version control in web projects? Git. In ReactJS, what is the correct way to pass data from parent to child? What is the default method of an HTML form? Get. Which of the following is a CSS preprocessor? SAS. Which of the following is not a component in React? Middleware component. Which attribute in HTML is used for linking JavaScript files? SCR. What is a virtual DOM in React? Lightweight copy of the real DOM. Which of the following ensures responsiveness in web design? CSS flex box. What is a single page application? Web update loads a single HTML page and dynamically updates. What is used to mainline site routing in React router? Next one is hard. You can take PDF to prepare of these questions. Each specialty will have 5 coding questions. Okay. Next is mobile application. Which language is primarily used for Android app development? Java. Which language is primarily used for iOS app development? Swift. Which offering is a cross-platform mobile development framework? Flutter. What is the basic building block of the UI? Widget. Which method is used to start an activity in Android? Start activity. What is the file extension for an Android application? Is .apk. In React Native, which component is used to create scrollable content? Scroll view. View Android. Which Android component is responsible for background tasks? Service. Which of the following is used to manage dependency? Flutter. Pub. Which is lifecycle method is called when an Android activity becomes visible on start? What does hot reload in Flutter do? Updates UI without closing state. Which layout is commonly used for arranging children vertically or horizontally in Android? Linear layout. Which command runs a Flutter app on a connected device? Run. In React Native, which library is used for navigation between screens? React Navigation. Which file contains the configuration for an Android project? Build.gradle. In the coding questions. The next specialty is cloud solutions. Which of the following is a cloud provider? AWS. What does IaaS stand in? Cloud computing infrastructure as a service. Which of the following is an example of PaaS? Heroku. What does SaaS stand for? Software as a service. Which AWS is used for object storage? S3. What is the purpose of AWS? Lambda serverless compute. Cloud deployment model is fully managed by a third-party provider. Public. Which AWS service is used for relational database? RDS. What does modeling cloud mean? Automatically adjusting compute resources based on demand. Which service is used for cloud monitoring and logging? AWS. CloudWatch. Which of the following is the server database in AWS? MongoDB. What is the region in cloud terminology? Geographical area containing availability zones. Which service helps manage cloud infrastructure as code? Terraform. Which of the following is an example of a hybrid cloud platform? Azure Street. What is the benefit of cloud computing? On-demand resources availability. In the coding questions. service tech assessments, MVP prototypes. What is the MVP in drug development? Minimum viable product. Which of the following is the key goal of an MVP? Test assumptions effectively. What does a tech assessment usually evaluate? Technical knowledge, problem solving, coding. Which methodology is most suited for building MVPs agile? Which of the following is not part of a productized service? Custom development for every kind. What is the first step in creating a prototype? Idea validation. Which tool is common for rapid prototyping of web and mobile apps? Figma. In tech assessments, what is usually evaluated alongside coding skills? Design patterns. Which type of prototype focuses on user interaction rather than functionalities? At low fidelity. What is the key advantage of productized services? Scalability and repeatability. What is the purpose of A/B testing in MVPs? Compare two product versions to measure effect. Which is an example of a tech assessment platform? HackerRank. What is the way to validate a product idea quickly? Build an MVP and gather feedback. Which agile principle is most aligned with MVP development? Responding to change over following a plan. In MVP, which approach reduces risk most effectively? Test small and iterate based on feedback. And the coding part is there. Here we go to the next specialty mentioned in the PDF: ReactJS, Django, DevOps, automation, intelligence, platform, and customer experience. In ReactJS, which hook is used to manage state in functional components. Use state. In Django, what is the purpose of models.py? Define database schema. Which of the following is a CI/CD tool for DevOps automation? Jenkins. What is an intelligent agent platform? A system that uses data and AI to provide insights. In Django, which command creates a database tables from models? Python manage.py migrate. In ReactJS, which method is used to update the state in class components? SetState. Which DevOps practice ensures fast delivery by automating testing and deployment? CI/CD. Which Django template tag is used to include another template? A option. In DevOps, what is the primary purpose of Docker? Containerization. The ReactJS feature helps avoid re-rendering unnecessary components. Memo. What does CI stand for? CI/CD, continuous integration. In Django, which decorator is used to require logging for a view? A, B option. Which intelligent platform technique is used to document the customer behavior? Predictive analytics. In customer experience, which metric is commonly used to measure satisfaction? NPS. In DevOps, which tool is used for infrastructure as code? Terraform. And the coding part is there. Next one is data engineering, IoT driven system, Redis, digital transformation, AWS, Salesforce, Heroku is the last one. What is the primary role of data engineering? The managing and processing large-scale data. Which of the following is a popular data pipeline tool? Airflow. What type of database in Redis? NoSQL in memory key value store. In IoT, what does MQTT stand for? Message queue telemetry transport. Which AWS service is used for real-time IoT processing? AWS IoT Core. What is the main benefit of Redis? In memory fetching for high performance. What is the key goal of digital transformation in companies? Using digital technology to improve business operations. Which Salesforce cloud is used for sales automation? Sales Cloud. Heroku is primarily used for cloud-based platform as a service. Data engineering ETL stands for Extract Transform Load. Which database type is best suited for IoT devices generating high frequency data? Time series database. What is the main function of AWS Cloud Formation? Infrastructure as code. In Redis, which data type allows storing multiple values in a sorted order? Sorted set. Which Salesforce tool is used for building reports and dashboards? Salesforce reports and dashboards. Which IoT protocol is lightweight and ideal for devices with limited resources? MQTT. And here are the coding part. Here we end the video. We have completed the all specialty mentioned in the company's description. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like